Takeover. Eloi Hernandez evokes in her photographs using her iPhone camera nature's restoration and renewal of balance amid the protracted pandemic. She peers and takes snapshots of abandoned corners and stray objects and explores the streets and alleys of the sprawling campus of the University of the Philippines Diliman to bear witness to how nature is staking its claim once again. Plant life overtaking structures or among new ones, fallen trees of nature's wrath, canines, felines, and ovines roaming freely and unafraid, and becoming accidental custodians of a seat of learning that is also almost a rainforest. And finally, a solitary guard, or shed, or chair that waits as time passes and ecology recovers. In the seemingly still UP campus, nature subtly stirs to restore and renew balance.
Takeover by Heidi Emily Eusebio Abad. A quiet wakefulness permeates the air. Giant philodendrons scale concrete walls, while languorous vines drape themselves over telephone wires. Cats, aloof and alone, search everywhere for a morsel of rice. A pack of stray dogs converge at the crossroads. Pedestrian sheep cross the street. Abandoned cars sit amid grassy patches, while a fleet of jeeps are forever poised to jumpstart their race. A guard keeps watch beneath a circle of light, although nothing much waits in the waiting shed. In wakeful silence, the campus stares in its sleep. How much longer this suspended animation?